Jivanya, how was your visit to the garden and fields?
It was very good.
Okay, and what did you see there? Tell us.
I saw so many plants
Okay, and
beautiful flowers.
wow, but did you pluck flowers?
No, I don't plant flowers.
You don't pluck flowers? Very good, that's good. You should not pluck flowers because flowers are also living like us. So, good that you didn't pluck flowers. And what else did you see, Jivanya? Tell us more. What did you see there?
I saw butterflies
And
and
ants.
insects
Okay.
and
Bugs. Very good. And what else did you see?
and I see
Caterpillar. How was it moving? Okay. And I think you have bought so many things also. Yes, I can see them. Show us. Show us what all things you have bought from there.
dry flower.
Wow, it's a dry flower. Nice. Okay, what else?
Small stones.
Small stones.
Yes.
Good. How many stones have you bought?
3.
3 stones. Nice. And
And I bought
dry. I can see those dry leaves. Are they dry leaves? कोई बात नहीं. दो. Give it to me. Yes, these are dry leaves. Roly-poly leaves. And that is the stick. Show me. Oh yes, that's a wonderful stick. But it is rough. See? Yes, it is rough. You should touch it carefully, okay? And what else? Show me. Oh, what is this? Let me see. Oh, these are the fruits of neem.
fruits I can eat it.
No. You should not eat them like this, baby. These are bitter. If you taste it, you will say, Mama, these taste horrible. So don't eat these. Don't eat these, okay? Jivanya, next time when you will go to any garden or field, na, you bring more things and then we will discuss about them, okay?
Okay, Mama.
Okay.